Hello, my fellow Patriots. I'm Cade Courtley, former Navy SEAL and best-selling author of the SEAL Survival Guide. Trust me, after eating literally thousands of MREs during my time in the SEAL teams, the 4Patriot kits are like a 5-star meal. And with delicious options like classic potato soup, chicken a la king, and cinnamon sugar oatmeal, you will never get tired of the same old meal. And they're not only life-sustaining, but taste great, are nutritious, and easy to prepare. You just add water and simmer. Remove the oxygen absorber. So take and add 1 cup of boiling water. Slowly stir in half the cup of the meal you've chosen. Then simply stir and let it cook for about 10 to 15 minutes or until it's of the desired consistency. That is a delicious meal. And this is survival food. Now, a true survival situation is not supposed to be luxurious, but with 4Patriot meals, you will forget about the potentially dire circumstances that others are facing. But let's be realistic. Most disaster situations will last longer than 3 days, which is why I strongly recommend you stock up on this premium survival food.